How does air pollution harm birds? Have you ever wondered how air pollution affects our feathered friends? Birds are not just beautiful creatures, they play a vital role in our ecosystems. However, air pollution poses serious challenges to their survival. Let's take a closer look at how this issue impacts birds and what it means for birding enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Birds have a unique respiratory system that makes them particularly sensitive to air pollutants. And like humans, birds have a continuous airflow system through air sacs. This allows them to extract oxygen efficiently for flight. However, it also means they inhale more harmful substances like nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, and ground-level ozone. These pollutants can damage the delicate tissues in their lungs, leading to respiratory problems. Birds may struggle to breathe, which can affect their stamina during migration and overall fitness. In addition to respiratory issues, air pollution can lead to anemia in birds. This condition reduces the levels of red blood cells in their bodies, weakening their immune systems. When birds have compromised immunity, they become more vulnerable to infections and diseases. This is particularly concerning because many bird species live in close proximity to one another, making it easier for diseases to spread. Air pollution also disrupts the habitats that birds relying on for nesting and feeding. For example, nitrogen oxides can encourage the growth of invasive plant species that outcompete native plants. Some birds use native plants like lichens to build their nests. When these plants are pushed out, nesting sites become scarce. Furthermore, ozone pollution can damage vegetation, reducing food availability. Changes in aquatic ecosystems caused by pollution can kill off small animals that birds depend on for food, leading to starvation and population declines. The impact of air pollution is particularly severe for small migratory land birds, such as sparrows, warblers, and finches. Their small size and high metabolic rates make them more susceptible to respiratory damage and environmental changes. As air quality declines, we may see a decrease in biodiversity and even local extinctions of sensitive bird species. To protect birds from the harmful effects of air pollution, it is essential to improve air quality. This can be achieved through regulations that reduce harmful emissions and by preserving natural habitats. Additionally, monitoring bird health can serve as an indicator of ecosystem well-being. Since birds are efficient at absorbing airborne substances, they can alert us to deteriorating air quality that may eventually affect other wildlife and even humans. Understanding how air pollution harms birds is vital for birding enthusiasts and anyone who cares about the environment. By being aware of these challenges, we can take steps to protect our avian friends and ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty of birds in their natural habitats.